If you are someone who want to start online business, let me give you a good tip here. So when you start a business, remember one single thing: the first 6 to 8 months of your business will be warm up for you. It is just a warm up. You don't need to expect any money. Some people can able to make money in 2 months or 3 months, in 4 months. It depends on individual person. For me, when I started my online business, I made my first $1,000 in 5 months. So somebody made in 1 month, somebody made in 1 year. So it depends person to person. But the only thing that you need to keep in mind is what you are doing. Do you have clarity on that? And what you are going to do for others, like how you are going to help for others, do you have clarity on that? And the most important thing, are you implementing the things which you are learning from a course or from a mentor or anywhere, whatever you are doing in online business? Are you implementing the things? That is the most important thing. See, I have seen so many people who started online business and they give up within 1 2 months because they expect the money part first. Okay, so my sincere suggestion for you, if you are a person who is not looking for a long term growth, long term development, don't start a business. Just go and find 9 to 5 job. Okay, do some courses or go to college, get a degree, get a job, and get it like instant money, like every month $2,000, every month $5,000. That is your life. I'm so sorry to tell this, but this is the truth. If you don't have patience, if you don't work for long term, if you expect instant money, job is the only place where you need to go. Okay, all the very best. And if you are someone who is having that like burning desire to do online business and change your life, then my dear friend, you need to put your head down and you need to work for a while. Okay, success is not something which will not come to you as you get one certificate or as you get a degree. The success will not come to you. It's an ordinary common life which is designed by American Board of Education. Okay, so the thing is, you need to grow, go to school, get good marks, get a job, and work for 60 years, pay the taxes. This is the way it is designed. So if you are someone who don't have patience, my sincere recommendation for you, go find a job and be happy with that. Okay, you will make instant money every single month. On 31st or 1st of every single month, you'll make money. Okay, and be happy with it. All the best.